Today I want to talk to you about tasks by Planner and To Do. It's this tasks menu item that you've got here at the bottom of your menu in Teams. If you don't have it here at the bottom, you can click the dots and you can start typing in tasks. It will show up on this list for you. And once you've opened it, you can right click and you'll have an option to pin it to your menu here so that it stays on your sidebar menu. I recommend you do that because this tool is so handy. So Tasks by Planner and To Do is the combination inside of Teams of two of Microsoft's other products, Microsoft To Do and Microsoft Planner. So Microsoft To Do is a tool that is basically digital sticky notes or your own personal to-do list. So you can see here your tasks. There will be a task list here, and you can add other lists for yourself if you'd like. I keep several different lists on my board. It helps me keep my day organized. And so here on my tasks list, it's basically just a to-do list app. And so you can just come in here, and when you remember there's something you need to do or something gets added to your plate, you just add it in. So let's say today I need to make a training video. So I put it on the list. And then you can sort your list in order of priority, in order of due date. So you can add those extra details into each of your items if you'd like to. And then once you have knocked one off the list, you just check it off, and then there away it goes. So you'll notice it's called tasks here. So if you are using tasks inside Outlook, this is the same. Microsoft To Do and Outlook tasks and Tasks by Planner and To Do are all the same tool. They all synchronize for you. So no matter where you're looking at it or interacting with it, it is the same data updated in real time. And that's super helpful. But here in the to-do tasks section, you can take a look at some quick filters so you can easily see just that list of things that are important to you. Planned is anything that's got a date associated with it, no matter if it's on your to-do list or maybe it's a part of a plan. So to-do tasks, this is meant to be things that are yours to do. They're not shared by default. You can share a task list if you want to do that, but the visibility and the options for sharing there are a little bit limited. And so my suggestion is if you are collaborating with others on some tasks, the right place to do that is in a plan. So inside your teams, inside a channel, you can build a plan. So I'm going to go here to the children's ministry channel, and inside that children's ministry channel, there is a VBS plan. Planner is Microsoft's version of Trello. So it is a basic task management system that allows for collaboration and oversight on achieving larger projects or putting on events, that kind of thing. So you have several views. You've got a list view. This is a list of things that need to be done for VBS. It is never too early to start planning VBS, am I right? So you have this list view, and you can get a quick look at who's assigned to which tasks, when are they due, what's important, is anything past due, who is behind in their work, guilty. So you can take a look at those things here in the list, or if you're more of a visual learner, you can take a look at them in this board view. And this may be what you're more used to seeing if you've used Trello or other Kanban style task management tools in the past. So what you have here is buckets. And you can add more buckets if you want more buckets. And you can add tasks to these buckets. Now the tasks are very easy to organize. They are just drag and drop, so you can reorder them inside their bucket. You can move a task over to a different bucket. You can switch the orders of your buckets, whatever is helpful for you to organize the information here and what needs to be done. So there are buckets of tasks, and then each task has a card full of information here where you can add additional details beyond just the to-do list name of the item. So you can also add subtasks, a checklist inside of this task. A common question I get asked is, can you assign each subtask a specific person to do it? The answer is no. You can assign multiple people to a task, but not specific people to each subtask. There's also a place here at the bottom where people can leave their notes to say what progress they've made, so you can see at a glance the progress that people are making on these tasks as they collaborate on projects. And here's the real magic for project managers. You've got a charts view which lets you see how many tasks are left to do, what's already been done, is anything late. You can see where are those tasks located. You can see who has tasks assigned to them and whether or not they are on schedule to see who may need some extra help. So you've got lots of options inside of Microsoft Teams to tackle your personal and your collaborative task management. I hope that helps.